Our group project was to recreate an Aulos using an Arduino and modern technology. What is an Aulos? An Aulos is a musical wind instrument that was played by the ancient Greeks. It was made using the reed of the Libyan lotus flower. It is perhaps one of the most commonly played instruments. It was played during festivals, processions of births and deaths, athletic games, for athletes to keep their exercises in rhythm, social occasions, and performances of tragedy in the theater. The aulus reed of the classical period was the type of double reed fashioned from cane. This is similar to the modern-day oboe reed. This is what our final design looks like. As you can see, this is just a prototype, but it works. It produces sound using a microphone sensor that captures the sound when blowing into the top. The most crucial and important part of the project was making sure the code worked to produce sound. We had to solder the wires to the switches as well as to the microphone sensor and to the Arduino board.
Trying to get some songs going.
After making sure the code worked, we moved on to creating the actual Aulos. These are the materials that we used: a plastic pipe, an Arduino board, switches, different sizes wires, microphone sensor, wood, Jubilee clips, plastic tubs, a glue gun, a MIDI converter, plastic mouthpiece, and different wires of varying lengths. We spent some time in the 3D workshop cutting, drilling, gluing, and putting our materials together. After everything was securely put together, we went back to the computer lab to connect the Arduino and test the code. Once we plugged it in, ran the code, finally we managed to get some sound. Our final prototype, we realized that there were improvements that we could make. Using a smaller mouthpiece would allow us more control over the sound. Also, it would have been better to have a battery attached so that it could work on its own instead of being attached to a computer.